Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today we're going to practice English conversations about weather and seasons.
Talking about the weather is one of the most common topics in everyday English.
Yes, it's a great way to start a conversation or make small talk.
Let's get started. Part 1. Describing the weather. Hi, Jame. How's the weather where you are today?
Hi, Lisa. It's a little cloudy and cool. I think it might rain later this afternoon. How about your weather?
It's sunny and warm here. A perfect day to go outside for a walk or some fresh air.
That sounds nice. Do you like sunny weather more than cloudy days?
Yes, mostly. But sometimes I enjoy cloudy weather because it feels calm and quiet.
I understand. How do you feel about rainy days?
I like the sound of rain, but I don't like getting wet. I usually stay inside and drink tea on rainy days.
That's relaxing. Sometimes rain makes me feel sleepy or peaceful.
What about snow? Have you ever experienced snowy weather?
Yes, a few times. Snow is beautiful but cold. It's fun to play in, but it makes traveling harder.
I agree. Snow changes everything and makes the world look magical.
Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Yes, it helps me plan what to wear and what to do.
Same here. I don't want to get caught in the rain without an umbrella.
Useful phrases to describe the weather. It's sunny and warm. It's cloudy and cool. I think it might rain later. I like the sound of rain. Snow is beautiful but cold. Do you check the weather forecast? I stay inside when it rains. Part 2. Talking about seasons. Jame, what's your favorite season of the year?
I really like spring because the weather starts to get warmer and the flowers begin to bloom everywhere. How about you, Lisa?
I love autumn. The colors of the leaves changing are beautiful, and the weather is cool but not too cold.
That sounds lovely. Do you like summer or winter better?
I enjoy summer because I can go swimming and spend time outside, but I don't like the very hot days. Winter is nice for holidays and cozy fires. What about you?
I prefer summer too. I like outdoor activities like hiking and biking. But winter is great for snow sports and holidays with family.
Have you ever experienced extreme weather during any season?
Yes, once during winter there was a big snowstorm that stopped everything for days. It was challenging but also fun to stay inside and relax.
I've never seen snow like that. In my country, it rarely snows, but the rainy season can be very heavy.
That's interesting. Different seasons bring different experiences, don't they?
Absolutely. I also like how seasons change the food we eat. For example, hot soup in winter and fresh salads in summer.
Great point. Seasonal foods are delicious and refreshing.
Useful phrases to talk about seasons. My favorite season is, I like spring because, autumn has beautiful colors. I enjoy summer but not very hot days. Winter is great for holidays and cozy fires. Have you ever experienced extreme weather during any season? Seasons change the food we eat. Part 3. Talking about weather effects and plans. Jame, how does the weather usually affect your daily plans?
Well, Lisa, if the weather is nice and sunny, I like to go outside for a walk, bike ride, or sometimes meet friends at a park. How about you?
I do the same, but if it rains, I usually stay inside and read a book or watch movies. Rainy days are good for relaxing.
That's true. Sometimes rainy weather makes me feel calm, but it can also make me a bit sleepy.
Do you check the weather forecast before making plans?
Yes, I check it every morning. It helps me decide what to wear and whether I need an umbrella or jacket.
Have you ever had to change your plans because of bad weather?
Definitely. Once I planned a hiking trip, but it rained all day, so we had to stay home and reschedule.
That's frustrating, but it's good to have backup plans.
Absolutely. Do you like to talk about the weather when you meet new people?
Yes, it's a common and easy way to start a conversation.
Me too. Talking about weather is like an icebreaker.
Exactly. It helps people connect, even if they don't know each other well. Useful phrases to talk about weather effects and plans. If the weather is nice, I like to. I usually stay inside when it rains. Rainy weather makes me feel. I check the weather forecast every morning. I had to change my plans because of bad weather. Talking about weather is a good icebreaker. That's the end of episode 9 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helps you talk about weather and seasons.
Try practicing these phrases with your friends or coworkers.
See you next time for more everyday English conversations.
Thanks for listening.